Here in Sailor Piece, artifacts are by far some of the most important systems in the entire game, especially if you want more damage and better stats. And in this guide, we're doing a full breakdown of artifacts and everything you need to know about them. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you get different artifact sets from different areas. Each set drops from specific islands or bosses, so you're going to need to farm the right location depending on what you want. For example, if you want to go ahead and get some like vessel hair, you can actually farm the Yuji boss on Sukuna Island, or for this one, you can farm the Knight on Boss Island, just like so. But that's just some examples. Every single like major boss in the game is going to have its own accessories that go along with it. To actually unlock artifacts, though, essentially what you need to go ahead and do is interact with a teleporter and go ahead and actually make your way over to Snow Island, which is one of the easier islands in the entire game. Whoa. Actually need to kill this guy real quick. Hold on. But just go over to this NPC right here, interact with this artifact NPC, and you'll be good to go. This is how you can go ahead and get some of these artifacts. All of them are going to be different, and you can, of course, equip them based off of what they actually give you. And there is a lot of them here in this game. As you can see, I have some pretty decent ones right here. And you can also upgrade them in this exact same area as well. Your goal is essentially to build a full set up. Once you have a full set, you can equip multiple pieces, and that's going to give you even more bonuses, which is what you need to aim to have. The best method is just to farm artifacts, keep the good ones, delete the rest ones for dust using this other NPC in this area, and then upgrade those artifacts. The process really is that simple. Once again, ask any questions down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.